Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the proven health benefits of ginseng. Let's get started. Ginseng has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. This slow-growing, short plant with fleshy roots can be classified three ways, depending on how long it is grown: fresh, white or red. Fresh ginseng is harvested before 4 years, while white ginseng is harvested between 4 to 6 years and red ginseng is harvested after 6 or more years. There are many types of this herb, but the most popular are American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius, and Asian ginseng, Panax ginseng. Below are the health benefits of ginseng. Number 1. Potent antioxidant that may reduce inflammation. Ginseng has been shown to help reduce inflammatory markers and help protect against oxidative stress. Number 2. May benefit brain function. Ginseng could help improve brain functions like memory, behavior, and mood. Ginseng has been shown to benefit mental functions, feelings of calmness and mood in both healthy people and those with Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Could improve erectile dysfunction. Ginseng may improve symptoms of erectile dysfunction by decreasing oxidative stress in tissues and enhancing blood flow in penile muscles. Number 4. May boost the immune system. Ginseng may strengthen the immune system in people with cancer, and even enhance the effects of certain vaccinations. Number 5. May have potential benefits against cancer. Ginsenosids in ginseng seem to regulate inflammation, provide antioxidant protection and maintain the health of cells, which could help decrease the risk of certain kinds of cancer. Number 6. May fight tiredness and increase energy levels. Ginseng may help fight fatigue and enhance physical activity, by lowering oxidative damage and increasing energy production in cells. Number 7. Could lower blood sugar. Ginseng, particularly fermented red ginseng, may help increase insulin production, enhance blood sugar uptake in cells and provide antioxidant protection. Easy to add to your diet. Ginseng root can be consumed in many ways. It can be eaten raw or you can lightly steam it to soften it. It can also be stewed in water to make a tea. To do this, just add hot water to freshly sliced ginseng, and let it steep for several minutes. Ginseng can be added to various recipes like soups and stir-fries, too. And the extract can be found in powder, tablet, capsule, and oil forms. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and video on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.